Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a speed ramp video in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this is pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your clip that you want to make a speed ramp, right click it, and then you'll have to find your retime controls, or you can press Ctrl R or Command R. From there, as you can see, that you'll have this speed change here and this indicator that says 100%, so you can select the parts where it's 100% or less. So let's add a speed point right here, and let's add a speed point right here. So let's say this is the part that we want it to speed up, so here we would have to change the speed to 150, and as you can see, the time of the clip decreases such that we have increased and made the speed ramp. So basically it fast forwards there. And then let's make another one here. So here, add speed point, and then this would fast forward again up to, let's say, 400%, and as you can see, it decreases in speed such that it has made a speed ramp. And there you go guys, that is how you make a speed ramp here in DaVinci Resolve. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.